Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how to make banana pancakes. Guys, just look at it. It's light, it's fluffy, it's delicious, it's nice. Your kids are going to fight with you for this banana pancake. Let's get started. So you need your banana. I'm using 2 bananas. Peel it, slice it into smaller pieces and add it to your blender. So we're going to use our blender to mix all the ingredients, guys. It's simple, it's easy, it's less time. So when done, add it to your blender. Add in 2 eggs, milk. I'm using evaporated milk. You can use full fat milk. Banana flavor, a little bit of water, sugar, salt to balance the sweetness, baking powder, melted butter, and grated nutmeg. Lastly, add in the flour and blend these ingredients together. So basically that's it, guys. This is all you have to do. It's easy making this. When done blending, pour it in your mixing bowl and let it sit from 30 minutes to 1 hour. By then the ingredients are incorporated, like they've mixed well, and you're good to go. So this should be the consistency, guys. It shouldn't be too thin, it shouldn't be too thick as well. It should be in between. Cover it with cling film and marinate it from 1 hour to from 30 minutes to an hour. 30 minutes should be fine as well. After 1 hour, go ahead and fry this pancake, guys. First, you're gonna spread butter. Brush your pan with butter and scoop about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the pancake batter in, and then use your the back of your spoon to spread it, as I did in the video. And then wait until you see bubbles, or let it cook 3 minutes on both sides. Flip it, let it cook another 3 minutes on the other side again, and that's it, guys. It's simple making this. It's very easy, and it's delicious as well. So fold it in half and then fold it again, and guys, just look at this. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it beautiful? Just look at it. Wow, I'm so proud of myself, and I'm so proud of you guys. Just look at the layers, guys. Wow, this turned out so delicious. I hope you give this a try, and I hope you will share this video for me, guys. Let's grow up this channel together. Wow, thanks for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, follow my page if you haven't already for more recipes like this. And guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all. Stay blessed and enjoy. This turned out so delicious. My son ate all, like, was fighting with the pancake with my husband.